2,400 Cfold towels per case, 16 packs of 150 towels. Kleenex Cfold paper towels are designed for single-use general-purpose cleaning and drying. The single-ply design helps reduce waste. The built-in, premium absorbency pockets mean that the commercial towels soak up water fast, so they get the drying job done right. The Cfold towels, sometimes called a tri-fold, facilitate stacking and unfolding, and the 10.125 x 13.15 size is compatible with many universal and Cfold dispensers. Buy these Cfold in bulk, so you'll reduce the risk of running out. When you're looking for a premium paper towel for your business, in a kitchen, office or restroom, Kleenex Cfold paper towels are a great choice. Even though they're economical, they are packed with innovations that help keep your commercial and business restrooms efficient. The Cfold design is made especially for smart stacking and unfolding, and the built-in absorbency pockets, to soak up a lot of water fast, mean that one of the Cfold towels can typically get a drying job done. The unfolded towel measures 10.125 inches wide by 13.15 inches long, and is compatible with most universal tri-fold and Cfold dispensers, sold separately. Each wholesale eco pack comes with 150 single-ply recycled white towels. You'll want to buy them in bulk so you'll never run out. When your guests, clients and employees see the trusted Kleenex brand logo, they'll know you care enough to offer the very best products. Top reviews from the United States. Super value over other towels, similar to Scott Essential. I bought a kitchen countertop Cfold dispenser and a case of these Kleenex towels and a case of the Scott Essential towels for use in my home. Honestly, there is very little difference between the two towels, but here's what I found. The Scott towels have a nice soft feel, but the Kleenex are ever so slightly softer to the touch. If you did not have two towels side by side, you probably would not notice the difference. Both are soft. Both are the same size unfolded, and have a similar thickness. Both are sturdy and absorbent towels. I see no differences here, even when wet, folded or unfolded, there is no difference between the two. They easily mop up spills with absorbency to spare, and can handle scrubbing without falling apart and are non-abrasive. Both are cases of 2,400 towels. The difference is in how many packs in the case. Kleenex is 16 packs of 150, Scott is 12 packs of 200. The Scott towels packs are a bit more compressed, and the Kleenex are packed a bit looser. The only difference I've noticed is that I need to refill the dispenser more often with a Kleenex.